Long and healthy life is a journey. Here's how we can help you every step of the way. The path to longevity has 7 steps. It starts with figuring out how old you truly are based on your health. Second is keeping chronic disease at bay. Third is maintaining a healthy body weight. Fourth is consuming the foods that are right for your biology. The fifth is an exercise for longevity. Sixth is breathing effectively, and seventh, to time nutrition correctly. Let's start with the first one, which is figuring out your biological age. Oxygen is the molecule cells need to turn nutrients into energy and keep you alive. Therefore, absorbing and using oxygen is the most vital process in the human body. Most critical organs, such as your heart and lungs, as well as cells, play a role in this. The more oxygen you can absorb, the fitter your lungs, heart, and cells, and thus the healthier you are. This concept has been extensively researched over the past 40 years. Findings from hundreds of studies culminated in the scientific statements by the American Heart Association, which elevated peak oxygen consumption as the most potent predictor of how long and well you are going to live. Our device measures your VO2 max with clinical precision and determines your biological age with a most scientifically backed method. The second step is keeping chronic disease at bay. The 3 most common cases of chronic disease are heart disease, lung disease, and diabetes. They also happen to be the 3 most common causes of death. Breath analysis is the gold standard for analyzing the oxygen flow through the heart, lungs, and cells, and identifying early signs that may be related to a chronic syndrome. The third step to longevity is maintaining healthy body weight. Each person's metabolism is different, and so are the calories, fats, and carbohydrate each person burns. Based on our body weight, muscle composition, medical history, and hormone profile, we all burn a different number of calories. To figure out how many calories you need to eat, you first need to determine how many calories you burn. This would be your balanced calories. Going above this level will cause gradual weight gain, whereas going below can cause metabolic slowdown and hormone imbalances. Our device measures your calorie burn with clinical precision and determines the optimal calorie intake and macronutrient balance for maintaining healthy body weight. The fourth step to longevity is to consume the right amount of micronutrients based on your biological needs. Micronutrients are compounds found in the food we eat and include vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. Micronutrients are powerful compounds that play vital roles in our body, such as support the immune system, improve digestion, improve our mood, increase our metabolism, improve heart and lung function. The optimal dose from each macronutrient depends on the limitations you face. For example, if you have a slow metabolism or impaired lung or heart function. Our device identifies deficiencies in critical areas such as cells, metabolism, heart, and lungs, and prescribes the optimal dose based on your limitations. The fifth step to longevity is an exercise that works for your biology. There are 3 types of training: resistance, interval, and cardio, and all 3 are important for weight loss. Resistance training is one of the most important ones as it prevents your metabolism from declining and helps you avoid osteoporosis and mobility problems such as lower back pain. Cardio training includes steady-state exercise in Zone 2. Its main benefit is that it improves cellular fitness and fat-burning efficiency. Interval training is about switching between different intensities, and its main effect is that it helps regulate hormones such as testosterone and maintains healthy heart and lungs. The optimal breakdown among the 3 depends on your metabolism, cells, heart, and lungs. Our breath analysis device measures that with clinical precision and determines the optimal exercise breakdown. The 6th step to longevity is breathing effectively. Breath can affect your posture and brain function. Erratic breathing, also known as hyperventilation syndrome, can impact how our brain functions, cause anxiety, and increase the risk of mobility problems such as lower back pain. Hyperventilation can be subtle and common. More than 10% of people chronically hyperventilate, and few know it. Our breath analysis device analyzes your breathing rate and carbon dioxide concentration and determines whether you're suffering from hyperventilation. This is the first step of addressing it through breathwork, meditation, or your doctor. Finally, the seventh step to longevity is timing nutrition correctly. Optimal meal timing can improve energy levels and focus, increase fat burn throughout the day, maximize muscle development, maximize recovery during sleep. Our personalized nutrition plan considers all scientifically backed guidelines for managing hunger through appropriate meal timing and builds them into your diet plan. There is no silver bullet for longer and better life. Every part of our program plays its role into helping you achieve the best version of yourself.